home of the Indo Raptor, Akins Ford. Also, we got my man Dayton filming today. We are home of the Super Duty. And I told y'all we're not stopping anytime soon. We have a special one right off the rip, y'all. This one back here is not going to be available, but because of the Ford program that it's in, we cannot sell you this one until like February, okay? So don't be calling in here talking about this one right here. It's going to be available soon, but once it's out of the Ford program, we can sell this bad boy. But I want to tease you with it because it's bad to the bone. We're on a Kelderman ride height suspension lift kit. We're on fuel blocks and 37s. Ride height, 37s, 24s, black and milled, and we're about to do some paint match too. We're about to throw it in the paint shop, do some more for that. So stay tuned for that. But the star of the show is not the Raptors or the 450s. Come on, D-Money. Let's take them back here and show what we're talking about. We're talking about F250 life. And if you're rolling on the F250, chances are you want to roll correct. You're going to roll in a Carli suspension lift kit, specifically the Pintop, which we have 3 diamonds back here behind us. Let's go, y'all. This white one here is currently available for sale. It's on the 5.5-inch kit. The one in the middle is for the Turner family from Athens. It's on a 5.5-inch kit as well. And on the far end, we have Frank from Utah. His is on the 3.5-inch kit. All are on 37s. And what's great about this video for you all is debating and trying to decide what's the best. We've got a lot of chrome here, and first take note of the headlights. So this one we were able to customize with our Everest Edition package. We got the Morimoto XB LED headlights. So you got LED in one fashion versus the Turner family's just standard halogen. Still a great output as far as light, but this puts out better light and more a white light that's brighter, higher lumen output. And then over here we got Frank's. This was the Lariat Sport package, but we still did some customizations inside the headlight throughout the vehicle just to take it next level for us. So we were 3.5-inch lifted on 37s. We're on a 9 wide wheel. We're 20 by 9. D-Money, show them the mile to wild scale right here. Show them that stance. We're on a 20 by 9 plus 1, so we're sticking out, you know, about 2 inches or so. So it's very mild. And then this next one right here, we're on 22 by 12s, y'all. Like Luda, can't lose the 22s. We're on 22 by 12s, but it's a big overall with an entire combo. It looks amazing. And then we're on 22 by 12 American forged wheels as well on 37s. And you can take note of, we've got 3 different tires for you as well today. We've got the Nitto Recon Grappler, that all-terrain tire that looks aggressive. It's a better rendition than that Terra Grappler, but so an all-terrain tire. Then we have our famous, infamous Nitto Ridge Grappler tire, that hybrid tire that rides so good. And look at the 12 wide. Look at the 12 wide. We're a good 6 inches lip right there. Also over here on the Force, we're probably a good 5.5-inch lip. So you got big lip on these two, just stunting like it's a habit, looking great. We got STX package on the Turner family here. This looks great. Great value in the STX package, especially on the Super Duty. And then, dude, I mean, this is so elegant and clean and classy. Gonna be in Utah. We got Athens. Somebody's gonna buy that one soon. But we got trucks all over the place. It means everything to me. 37, 12.5, 20 trail grappler. So we got mud terrain, we got hybrid, and then all terrain. So we got all different levels of tire composition and aggressiveness for you. These are going to be more for mud and off-road scenario, but still for a mud terrain tire, this rides phenomenal, gives you great experience and overall longevity. And the Fuel Rebel, Dayton loves it too. Tell him, D. Dayton loves it. The Fuel Rebel 8 in anthracite gray with that simulated beadlock ring. D-Money, show them our Fuel Maverick. We're on 22 by 12s, clean and classy, black and milled, big lip, stunting like it's 37, 12.5, 22s, big American Force going on too. So just from the front here, a few things to take note of. We got an XLT truck, we got an STX package truck, and then we got a Lariat Sport over there. We got chrome and chrome, and then we got a chrome deleted Sport package over that way. We got aftermarket headlights, we got factory halogens, we got Ford LED headlights. So you got different levels and different options to choose from, as well as with entire combo. You got 37 on 13.5 all-terrain, 37 13.5 hybrid tire, and 37 12.5 mud terrain. Now, the lift kit that makes it happen, which I was telling you about, is the Carli Pintop. Again, we have, let's show them, D. We got 3.5 right here. We got the coil spring. We got the specifically tuned King shocks from Carli. You cannot buy a King shock that's better tuned for a Super Duty out the box than this kit right here from Carli Suspension. Got torsion sway bar, you got high mount and low mount steering stabilizer, you got rear torsion bar as well, caster shims, you got stainless brake lines. The complete kit is what we're all about. Let's show them out back as far as the leaf pack D. We got the Deaver leaf pack in the rear. We got King shocks in the rear to roll with it too. Money. Got a Retrax bed cover, got a back flip there, and none on that one, y'all. So you got different levels, different stances and aggressiveness. I mean, like, let me know what you think. Dayton and I are sitting here trying to debate what we want to roll with. We got this one's probably going to be a better daily driver. These two are more boastful on our mild to wild scale. These two here are sticking out a good 5 to 6 inches. And then as far as tire longevity and tire comfort, these two are going to ride better overall as far as a tire choice, but then you got a milder 9-wide wheel over here that's going to have really good ride characteristics too. Long story short, you got to hit your boy up to help dissect all this, because a lot of times you go to an accessory store, especially if they're part of a dealership, they're an afterthought or an accessory store, you're going to get a guy that's not motivated. He don't have what's going on. He's going to just kind of take you through the process and get you done because it's a job to him. This ain't no job for real deal. This is my life, y'all. This is what I live every day. So I'm going to make sure that you got the best setup for you. That's why you got to mess with us. Look, show them right there, D. Willies, Akins. Hey, and if you want a salesperson, I know a guy. There he is. D Money. Let's show them a couple of the 5.5-inch kit. So they got the 5.5-inch kit again. We got the Deaver leaf pack in the rear. Essentially just all the heights and shocks are made for the taller setup. Everything else is still the same. Just an amazing ride quality found in a Carli kit. And 3 different trucks, 3 different vibes is what we're all about, y'all. All right, I got to know now. Dayton?
I'm going with Frank's truck out in Utah. That's what I'm going with. It just looks clean, classy, still a good look, and can get the work done. That's what we need.
For your flavor, right?
That's what I like. But these are still great trucks. Chrome bumpers, like the 22s on it.
Dayton,
riding good.
Dayton, tell them that all these trucks have made me do something crazy. What they about to see from me for coming soon?
They're about to see something epic right here. Neal got something coming for y'all. He's giving you some little hints, but he got some big things coming in the works. For sure.
Bet. Tell them goodbye, D.
I'll see y'all, here at Akins and Winder, Wild Willies, Real Deal and D Street. We out.